Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have Amanda Seyfried's Tuna Melt. I made this for her when she stumbled into my little old cafe on the road to nowhere just before, I don't know, some movie of hers, and she asked me for this. I said, okay. I started off with 1 pound of bacon that I chopped up into itty little bitty pieces. Okay. Then I got to work making the tuna salad itself. So what we have here is 27 ounces of albacore tuna that's been drained. Follow that up by our pound of bacon that's been fried up. Eyeball about a cup of mayonnaise. About a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, Worcester sauce. I can never pronounce the damn thing correctly. And then about a 1/4 cup of dill pickle relish. And salt and lemon pepper to taste. Again, I want to be specific. I added lemon pepper and not regular pepper. If you want, you can add regular pepper and add a little lemon juice, but I just decided to go this way. So that's salt and lemon pepper to taste. And then just grab a spoon and mix until everything is mixed together. Also, you want to give this a taste to adjust seasonings or add a little bit of mayo if it's a little too dry. But that's basically it for the mix. All right. Okie dokie. We're moving right along with our sandwich making. And as you can see here, I got one side of the bread. I started with a nice slice of cheddar cheese. Put about 3 ounces of the tuna mix and spread it out on the bread. If you wanted your sandwich a little thicker, add a little bit more. And then I topped that with some provolone cheese. And then I added some mayonnaise to one side of the bread, and then we're gonna bring this over to a nice hot griddle. Okay, I placed the mayonnaise side down, and then added some more mayonnaise to the top part of the bread. And if you don't want to use mayonnaise, that's fine. I thought that worked out a little bit better for this particular sandwich. If you want, you can just use butter. And now you just want to give these a little flip. Oh, I also added some Parmesan cheese to the this particular piece of bread, too. Just some nicely, freshly shredded parm. And thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, these sandwiches are done. And it looks like Miss Amanda is getting quite irritated in my dining area. So, that's basically it for this one. This is Amanda Seyfried's Tuna Sandwich. Done. And she absolutely loved it. Although, why she felt the need to eat it while licking a snake, I still do not have the foggiest.